How to drop data frame columns based on Dtype. I've got a pandas data frame and I'm trying to drop all the object fields from so that I'm left with only numeric. I've been trying to write a for loop to do this task, as I'm likely going to need to do it over and over again with different data. For some reason I can't get it working. Below is what I've did so far. The error I get is attribute error traceback, most recent call last, in, 1 for calls in data, 2 if data.values.type equals object, 3 num data equals data.drop, axis equals 1, in place equals true, attribute error, numpy.inDarray object has no attribute type. I am a noob and for some reason I can't get the for loop and if statement logic to stick in my head.
You can use select_dtypes to exclude columns of a particular type.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.